That's what you're doing. So you, good sir, you were trying to get Daddy's attention by being cute, aren't you? Oh. Yes, you are. I'm gonna get that belly. Oh, I bite that belly. Hi, baby boy. Well, look at you, huh? My 3-year-old birthday boy. I know your birthday was yesterday, but I don't care. I'm gonna celebrate it until we celebrate on Thursday. You got 3 days, my friend. We'll be celebrating, okay? Okay, hi. Oh, you love being cute, don't you? Don't you, you big baby? You big boy! I love that you let me just do whatever to you. Because you love the attention. Because I've been playing with the ears and your paws and your mouth and everything else since you're a little baby. That way you get used to it, huh? Oh. That way you grow up to be a good boy. That's why you're so good with little kids, huh? You know to be gentle. You know you can't be rough. You can play. You just gotta play easy with the little babies. Save the rough stuff for me. Oh. I love you, Dave. You're the best boy ever. You know that? Hi. Hello. Hello. How you doing? Oh, squeeze that leg. That big chicken leg. Oh. You're so pretty. Wait till I give you your chicken tonight. You're gonna have delicious chicken. I love Diesel. Let me kiss that leg. That boo-boo leg.